Every engine flying above us has a story, and for many of them, that story comes through here, GE Aerospace Component Repair in Singapore. This is GE Aerospace's largest component repair shop, responsible for over 60% of our global repair volume. Every day, our teams breathe new life into critical engine components, restoring them piece by piece, so our customers can fly safely and reliably. You'll notice something different about how we work here. Everything we do, from daily repairs to major site transformation, is guided by Flight Deck, GE Aerospace's proprietary lean operating model. This is our way of staying focused, solving problems, and making sure every task aligns with what our customers need. As people take to the skies in increasing numbers, we are following Flight Deck to ensure our growth supports them. We began by transforming our nozzle repair area, leveraging Flight Deck fundamentals to improve flow, eliminate waste, boost productivity, and enabling growth without increasing our footprint.
This turbine nozzles area right here was a 3-floor operation, packed, complex, and spread out across different styles of operation. We identified opportunities to improve through focused Kaizen events and then applied 2 key Flight Deck fundamentals to guide us through: daily and visual management, which helps teams quickly spot obstacles and act, and value stream management, which takes a big picture view to improve flow and eliminate waste. We reimagined the space by applying Flight Deck transformation tools, clearing the entire 4th floor and transforming what used to be 3 floors into just 2. In only 6 weeks with no disruption to our customers. The result? A 33% reduction in floor space, and with less space, we achieved more. Productivity improved by 8%, output surged by 35%, and turnaround time reduced by 30%.
But the real shift wasn't just physical. It was how we approached the work itself. We moved from batch processing to single-piece flow. Today, each HPT nozzle moves through the entire process, one at a time, seamlessly, no waiting, no bottlenecks, just flow. Flight Deck is common sense rigorously applied. It's about taking continuous steps, no matter how small, to make our work better every day. This growth mindset powers every improvement we make, enabling our people to achieve more, innovate faster, and keep the world flying safely. Over the next few weeks, I'd like to take you behind the scenes to meet the team who keep things moving and see the innovations that help shape the future of flight.